Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, so today we are going to look into cardiovascular system. So the cardiovascular system is the body's transport network. So it's divided into two. We have the cardio and we have the vascular. So the cardio is the heart whose pumping action ensures constant circulation of blood to the body, and the vascular, which is the blood vessel, is a form of lengthy network which the blood flows through. So the main job is to deliver oxygen, nutrients, and other essential substances to the body while removing waste products like carbon dioxide. So the heart pumps the blood while the arteries, the veins, the capillaries serve as the highway through which the blood travels. So look at it as a delivery service where all the cells, the tissues, and the organs are being supplied and functioning properly. But how does the blood travel through the body? So we have two main circuits or two separate systems, which is the pulmonary circulation and the systematic circulation. Now, under the pulmonary circulation, the deoxygenated blood is carried from the heart to the lungs. Now, that is where exchange of gas occur, whereby the blood picks oxygen from the air sac and releases carbon dioxide. Then the oxygen-rich blood returns back to the heart from the lungs. And do not forget that under the pulmonary circulation, we have the right pulmonary artery and vein, and we have the left pulmonary artery and vein, which we are going to talk about fully later on, how the blood flows through the heart. The systematic circulation, this is where the oxygenated blood is being transferred to the entire body, supplying nutrients, oxygen, and other essential substances to the cells, the tissues, and the organs. Also, it returns the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. So for the heart to function effectively or to pump blood effectively, it needs an electrical system, which we call the cardiac conduction system. So these are the electrical impulse. One, we have the sinoatrial node, which is the SA node. Two, we have the atrioventricular node, which is the AV node. We have the bundle of Hughes, then the branches, left and right branches. Then we will have the Purkinje fibers. So we are going to talk about them one after the other. The SA node lies in the right atrium near the opening of the superior vena cava, and it is known as the pacemaker. Now, these SA nodes, they generate regular impulses because they are electrically unstable. So they generate like 60 to 80 times a minute. So the AV node, which is the atrioventricular node, is situated in the wall of the atrial spectrum near the atrioventricular valves. So the AV node merely transmits electrical signals from the atria to the ventricles. So there is a delay of 0.1 second to allow the atrial contraction to be completed before the ventricle contraction starts. For the bundle of Hughes, what it does is to conduct the impulses from the AV node into the ventricles. So we now have two parts of the branches of Hughes. We have the left and the right branches. So what they do is to carry the electrical signals to each part or each side of the heart. For the Purkinje fiber, it transmits electrical impulses from the AV node to the apex of the myocardium, where the wave of the ventricular contraction began. So this helps to pump blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery and to the rest of the body through the aorta. So in conclusion, we will say that if there is no electrical signal, the heart can't beat. If the heart doesn't beat, blood stops circulating. Without circulation, oxygen can't reach the brain and the rest of the body. Life depends on every heartbeat. So check your blood pressure regularly, eat more fruit, vegetable, take less salt, less sugary drinks, stay active physically at least 30 minutes, avoid smoking and limit alcohol, maintain a healthy weight, get enough sleep, Take care of your heart today because every heartbeat matters.